Hi, welcome everyone. Today we're having a look at a new feature in the 1.1 version of the library, partial display. What it does is really simple. Let's take that map. It's 100 by 100 cells, but since it's using emojis to render, it displays on 200 by 200 characters. On any readable resolution, this will not display correctly and you'll get lines that overlaps, like that. Technically, you can still fit 200 characters in a terminal if you sacrifice readability. Now we don't really want that, do we? What we really want is for the game to display only a portion of that map, so it displays correctly at a decent resolution. We could also want that for game design reasons.
You never know what lurks outside of the visible map.
So, we want the map to zoom and pan with the player, like that. So how do we do that in the code? Well, that's actually almost free. There's very little code to write. Partial display relies on the new method in the board class called displayAround. This one takes an item, a row and column radius, not diameter, it's important, and it'll take care of the partial rendering. But there's a better way of doing it. If you use the game object, as you should, you only have to configure it with enable partial display and specify a viewport radius. Again, radius, not diameter. And that's it. The game and board objects will take care of the rest. Now the game displays correctly whatever the console's resolution. The view remains centered on the player. There's even dead zones for free. It's clearly one of my favorite new features because it opens so many possibilities. Partial display is heavily used in SuperX, for example. Hopefully, you folks like it too. And that wraps what I had to say in that video. Like every content creator, I'd like to know if these videos are useful, so do not hesitate to comment, like, subscribe and activate the notifications. I really appreciate if you do. See you next time.